Let the coal roll. The big dogs are back in the room. You guys remember what kind of a beating some of these trucks took earlier in the day, right? How could they actually look coming back in? Just a reminder, this is the last heat of the day. Are you sure? I just talked to Mr. Swan. Okay, here's the big dogs. They're coming in for the last run of the day. They're all going to be back tomorrow again. Salmon Arm, let's show Dean how we love him. The 669 is out already. They're going flooded up. We got 3 or 4 still moving around. 13 in the back, 27. Not much of a loss. They're steaming, they're spitting mud, and they're throwing gravel. They're just getting a little lost. I sense something big coming up here. There you go, that was fun. It's an all-out garage match. Hit on hit on hit. Grizzly Barbecue and El Toro. 2 left moving. Here comes Toro. Oh, another hit on the barbecue. Oh! There you go. Oh, look at him. He's like, little Toro, don't run away. Little bull, why do you run away? Are you scared of me? There's a hit. There you go. Uh-oh. Are we on now? I think we're done, kid. Let's give him a big round of applause. El Toro and 27, the last 2 moving. How about it for our trucks, everybody? These guys were beat up. They were bashed up. They put them all back.